Good afternoon, traders. Welcome back to another video. On this video today, you can tell by the title, we are going to be reviewing and deep diving into Finotive Funding. They are a bit on the rise. They've been catching my eye a little bit here and there. And yeah, I want to have a little deep dive into their website, see their challenges, see what they offer, and see if they do anything completely different from the other prop firms. So yeah, let's get onto the website and check out all the challenges, the FAQ, and yeah, we'll see what else they can provide for us traders and see if there's anything good. Okay, traders, so we are on to the Finotive Funding website, and yeah, let's just have a little look. I love the layout of it. It looks very clean, nice green features all over, nice and simple. As you can see here, guys, already 20 million plus in total payouts, right? So that's always a good sign for these prop firms to be paying out. And yeah, that's a lot of money to be paying out. 4 million plus trades executed by the traders. Insane. 5+ years proven record. That's always good. You know, to have a prop firm that's been tested and proved for 5+ years, that's very good. 70,000 plus verified users. So yeah, got a very good track record here. Nice to see their funding here, $13,000 on a payout of 100k instant funding, right? That's insane. 16,000 here, very, very cool indeed. Right, it feels smooth. Purchase challenge, yeah, instant funding, 1 or 2 step challenge, get your capital, trade and grow, withdraw your earnings. Perfect, all we want. Right, so flexible, right? So you can trade in USD, Euro, and Pound Dollar. Always good. I'd always choose USD. You seem to be getting your money's worth a little bit more with USD. And what's good here, guys, is you can do a 1-step, 2-step on the challenge, or you can do instant funding, right? Instant funding, like I said it many times before, that's definitely a bit of me. You know, if you've got a proven strategy and you know you can make money, you know, just jump straight to the funding, right? So we've got the light and the standard, and then obviously these challenges, right? So currently I'm running 20% off your first purchase with Finotive Funding with the link in the description. Make sure you check that out, guys, because it's a very limited time here. 20% off any challenge you buy. Just use the link in the description, or I'll leave a coupon code right in the bottom, right? So make sure you grab yourself an account and utilize this as much as possible, guys, because it looks good. It looks very, very good. Right, so 1 step, 2 steps. So let's have a look at these, right? 2 steps, profit targets. Step 1, 7.5%. Step 2, 5%. 12.5% overall, which is absolutely fine. And look how cheap you can get. The smallest account size from is $29 on a 2-step. 1 step bumps it up to $10 more, but all you have to make is 10% instead of the 12.5, right? Which is pretty good if you ask me, right? The 1 steps, right? Daily drawdown 4%, so you've got quite a big buffer here, and a max drawdown of 7.5. That is that's pretty good. So the 2 steps, you've got a max drawdown of 9%. Wow. That is insane. So 1.5% extra on top instead of the 1 step. And the daily drawdown stays the same. Profit split 80%. And again, trading consistency. You know, I said about this in the last video, guys. It's so important for me and for all you guys to have this. There's no consistency rules. We love that. We love that. 1-time fee, yeah. And you do get a refund, which is fantastic. Payout cycle on demand, then every 7 days, which is absolutely fine. So that all looks good. Right, so how much is the 100k sitting at on the 2 steps, right? $699, right? So use that coupon in the description below if you're going to be buying any sort of account size. Doesn't matter how small or how big, you'll be getting 20% off every challenge, shall I say. Let's have a look at this instant funding then. Right, so let's start with the standard. A little bit more expensive, right? No profit target, obviously. You got instant funding. Daily drawdown of 3.5%, absolutely fine. Max drawdown of 7%, guys. That, for an instant funding, is very, very good. Static drawdown, also very good. No consistency again. 75% profit split. Very good. I know, yeah, very, very good. So you can get these 100k, 3.5. So very, very expensive if you're looking at standard. So let's look at the light, 1500, right? So that's not bad at all for that. Less of a profit split, so 70%, and a drawdown drops to 6%, and the daily drawdown drops to 3%, right? For me, that's a no-brainer. I'm definitely going to be doing that. Yeah, even like a 10k account, guys. If you need a 10k account, that will bump up your numbers a little bit more. $200, right? 20% off that, you know, that bumps that down to about $160. So it's perfect, guys. Absolutely perfect. You can easily get that done. Then this Pro, right? You can receive, which I've never seen any prop firm do. Tell me if I'm wrong, but Pro, right? 1-step or 2-step. Pass our classic challenge and receive additional monthly salary for consistency. That is very, very good, right? So these 1 and 2 steps, you got a max drawdown of 10%. You got static drawdown, 80% profit split, right? Looking on this one, the Pro includes a monthly salary worth 1% of your purchased capital, right? So that is very, very good, guys. Yeah, I've never seen this from another prop firm before, but that is game changing, right? So if you can then earn a salary as well as get funded payouts from these guys, you've cracked the code. To me, that's a cheat code, guys. That is insane. So let's just have a little look here, right? Let's jump in a little bit deeper. Fair rules, no moving targets, no shifting limits. Perfect. It's just what we want. Trading in minutes, no delays, no waiting. Perfect. Start small, scale with consistency. You can scale, which is the main thing. No evaluation, perfectly fine. Instant funding, right? For me, instant funding, let's say 50k account. Drawdown threshold, 1.5%, completely fine. Daily drawdown, 3%, 6%. Static, no consistency, guys. Always good. One-time fee, perfectly fine. Weekend holding is an add-on, but you can get that. Right. Select size from 2.5. Get instantly funded, trade and grow, and withdraw your earnings. Now, I am definitely going to be purchasing an account with these guys, and I will be tracking my results in videos. So look out for that. But yeah, we're definitely going to be jumping into that. So let's have a little look into the FAQ. Right, so I've just asked the AI helper here on their website, which I think is really cool. Right, so instant funding standard, you need no minimum profit trading days, right? So that's insane. But the funded light, you need 5 profitable days at 0.5%, right? A lot of these firms do this on the cheaper light, the light package essentially. But that is definitely worth doing, right? 5 profitable days at 0.5%, so 2.5% profitable over 5 days, so 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, perfectly fine. The 1-step's the same, the 2-step is the same, but you've got 3 profitable days on the 1-step Pro, and 2-step Pro is 2 profitable days at 0.5%. So absolutely fine. But yeah, let's dive in a little bit more on the Pro. Okay, yeah, so day 1 salary. Start earning instantly from the moment you're funded. Your daily salary begins guaranteed income from day 1. 100% profit split after a month. Trade for your first month and unlock the full profit split. Keep everything you make without limits. Guys, that is insane. You also get your refundable fee if you pass. Guys, that is game changing. Finotive Funding, that is game changing, right? I haven't seen that, and I'm very intrigued. And they're not badly priced, guys. They're not badly priced. So even if you hit a 50k account for $469, use my link in the description to get 20% off that. Guys, salary. Salary for trading? Unheard of, right? And payouts. Guys, that is insane. Right, so let's analyze it, right? So that is insane, right? So 1-step, 2-step on a challenge. You could either go for the Pro or you can just go for the normal challenges. but the Pro gives you a salary-based figure, 1% of the capital you've purchased. That is very good indeed. You can also go for the instant funding and get started straight away. Make sure to use the link in the description if you want to check them out, and you will get 20% off your first purchase using that link. So yeah, jump in if you want to, guys. And yeah, I'm going to be purchasing one myself, so keep an eye out for that. I'll be documenting my trades and how I've been getting on with that account. So thanks for stopping by, traders. Good luck trading and take care.